The 2027 Nissan Motorhome brings a fresh approach to compact luxury travel, blending Nissan's reputation for reliability with modern camper innovation. Built on a refined commercial van platform, it feels sturdy yet surprisingly easy to maneuver, making it suitable for both long road trips and weekend getaways. Exterior design is clean and aerodynamic, with subtle styling cues that give it a contemporary look without being overly flashy. Under the hood, Nissan is expected to offer a choice between an efficient turbo diesel engine and a hybrid powertrain, both tuned for smooth torque delivery and better fuel economy when carrying heavy loads. The driving experience is comfortable, with improved suspension that absorbs road imperfections well, while advanced driver assistance systems help reduce fatigue on long journeys. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully laid out to maximize space. High-quality materials, soft lighting, and smart storage solutions create a welcoming environment. The rotating front seats allow the cockpit to become part of the living area, making it feel more like a small studio apartment than a vehicle. The kitchen area is compact but functional, featuring a 2-burner stove, a small refrigerator, a sink, and enough counter space for basic meal preparation. Clever cabinetry ensures that everything has its place, and the use of lightweight materials helps keep overall weight manageable without sacrificing durability. Sleeping arrangements are flexible, typically including a convertible dinette bed in an overhead or rear sleeping area. The mattress quality is surprisingly comfortable, and ventilation options such as roof vents and optional climate control keep the interior pleasant in different weather conditions. Technology is a strong point, with a modern infotainment system that supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice controls. Solar panel options and upgraded battery systems allow for off-grid camping, while integrated control panels make it easy to monitor power, water levels, and interior settings. Safety has not been overlooked, as the motorhome includes features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These additions are especially useful given the vehicle's size, helping drivers feel more confident in tight spaces or busy traffic. Storage capacity is impressive, with compartments designed for camping gear, luggage, and outdoor equipment. Exterior access points make loading and unloading convenient, and optional bike racks or roof storage further enhance its practicality for adventure seekers. Overall, the 2027 Nissan Motorhome stands out as a balanced option that combines comfort, efficiency, and modern features in a manageable package. It's well suited for travelers who want the freedom of the open road without stepping up to a large, difficult-to-drive RV, making it an appealing choice in the growing motorhome market.